Hello, I'm attorney John Mansfield with the Mansfield Law Group. And another question that I'm asked a lot is, do I have a case? Can you help me? Well, any attorney that you go to is going to want to ask you a number of questions to even begin to be able to help you. If that attorney doesn't ask you a lot of questions, you should be very, very cautious. The attorney is going to want to ask you, have you ever been arrested? Have you ever been deported? Have you ever filed immigration papers in the past? Are you currently in removal or deportation proceedings? And even if the answer is no to all those questions, there are still many more questions that need to be asked so that you can be helped. Such as, how long have you been here in the United States? Do you have any children born here? Are you afraid to return to your home country? Have you been the victim of a crime or of domestic violence? Are either of your parents or grandparents U.S. citizens? Or perhaps you have an offer of employment in the U.S. If so, with what company? When is the start date? What type of work is it? What type of education do you have? So there are a number of questions that need to be asked, first of all, by the attorney. And again, that's a red flag to you. If the attorney that you go to for advice is talking more than they're asking questions, that is definitely a concern. And like any other situation, such as if you go to a doctor and you get a diagnosis or you don't feel comfortable with that doctor, get a second opinion, get a third opinion. Do what you need to do until you feel comfortable that your immigration concerns, that your legal concerns are being addressed adequately and effectively and competently and thoroughly. So I hope you'll consider the Mansfield Law Group, and if you have any questions, please feel free to call us or email us.